Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, we are at Diamond Avalanche. This machine has been going up in the ground. Nobody has hit it yet. Let's see if we could have the magic touch, and let's see if we could bank that 8,000 tonight, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Doesn't look too good. Already down 20. Let's go, mommy. Your turn. Hit it 10 times. What did you hit? Oh, paints. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Block it. Oh, come on. Don't do that to us. Come on. Come on, let's go, bonus. Give us a good bonus. Alright, mommy, your turn. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, bonus. Come on, you're in there somewhere. Come on. Come on, right here. Oh, come on. Stop teasing us. Come on. I know you're in there somewhere. Come on, let's go. Come on. Wow, you're hard. I'm wondering you keep on going up, huh? Come on.
It's so hard to get the bonus.
I know. Usually before you'll be in the bonus already.
Yeah.
I don't know why they set this thing to low hitting or something. Come on, let's go. Okay, we got maybe one line, two line, okay, three line. Come on. Alright. Come on. Okay, mommy, your turn. Come on, let's go. Let's hit that bonus. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh, man. Play all of it, okay? Come on. Call Devin right now. Reload. Call Devin right now. Reload. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. Call Devin right now, reload. Finally. The Diamond Avalanche, finally. We're gonna hit that 8 grand up there, guys, watch. Let's go. Game future, come on, let's go. That's nothing. Come on, do like the horsey. Boom. Oh, yeah, nothing. So
so sticky, icky. Come on. Ooh, blow. Come on. Oh my god. Multiplier. Come on, so sick. Come on. Bigger. You got some bigger ones.
Does it go up?
I don't know. I haven't played this one for so long. I forgot how to play this one. Just put money in there and there you go. Do something. Oh my god. Come on. Increase multiplier. New trigger. There we go. Okay. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1 here. 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. We got lucky 7 more spins. Hit that button. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta pair it up. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Nothing. Come on. Oh, come on. Do something crazy. Oh, we got this down here? Oh. Full screen. Okay, come on, do that again. Come on, do that again. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, we needed the heart over here. Oh. One more. Oh, one more. Oh my god, come on. Pay us off. Little devil, you. Come on, one more. Come on. Full screen. Boom, retrigger. Oh my god. Okay, purple one up there. Blue. What's our total? Let's hit that for our fans. Come on, man. 500? More than 500. Alright guys, let's get a couple back spends. Not bad for $2.50 back. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Last spin guys. That's it. It's a wrap. We better stop before we get caught. Yes. Oh man, $100 down to $12. Finally got the bonus. Come on, mommy, let's go. Free game, free check. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no, doesn't look too good. Come on. Ay. Come on. Come on. Oh man. This bonus sucks now. Come on, let's go. Give it to us. Okay, increase multiplier. Come on. Oh, nothing. Come on. Retrigger. We need a retrigger to help us. Oh. We need a retrigger. That's it, man. We missed that retrigger. Come on. Uh-oh, you win some, you lose some.